Okay guys, I just caught this blue. I'm gonna put him on Facebook as soon as I get home, where I can hold him up. Great Christmas present, yes Lord. Alright guys, got a nice blue. I just caught him, I couldn't catch him on camera because the sun was shining down in my direction. Merry Christmas, y'all. Hey, what's going on guys? Good morning, good morning. Thanks for going fishing with me. Hey, if you like this video, hit that like button for me. And if you like my channel, subscribe for me guys. I appreciate you 100. Okay guys, we're down here in Yellow Creek, in Sullivan, Alabama, my hometown. And we're gonna do a little bass fishing. It's normally like all mossed up and algaed up and stuff. Catch fish, but it's kind of hard. But since it's cold, it's December, there's no algae and stuff in there yet, but a lot of places to get hung. We're gonna go on through out here and see what we can come up with. Okay guys, I'm gonna be using my Shakespeare ugly stick with my excursion rod and reel combo with 12-pound line with a little split shot for castability, and I'm going to be using this cotton candy zoom worm. Let's see what we can come up with. Got him, guys! Got him! Oh yeah, right there on the bank. What? Little largemouth on that cotton candy zoom worm. There he is. One of those Yellow Creek, Alabama bass. Let's get him back in the water. In these little streams and creeks like this, like Yellow Creek, the bass generally hang around the banks, the edge of the banks and stuff. It's kind of hard to hit those little spots, but it's really fun though when you get one. Guys, I don't think we're gonna get another one here. Let's move to a new location. What's going on guys? Hey, if you like this video, hit that like button for me. And if you like my channel, subscribe for me guys. I appreciate you. Okay, check this out. We're at Bow Creek in Gabby, Mississippi. It's the same Bow Creek that's in Sullivan, Alabama, my town, my hometown. But it runs through Gatman as well. And it's been raining, man, for like 2 days straight, and then it rained off and on for 2 more days. So creeks and the rivers around here were all swollen. So this creek it's still swollen compared to what it normally is, but the pressure's dropped down a little bit, and you can actually get to the bank. If you were here, which I'm not gonna worry about showing it, but you can see how the grass has been pushed by the water. I mean, it was just flooded. So I'm figuring there should be some kind of fish in here. But we're gonna be throwing some rooster liver, and we're gonna be throwing night crawlers. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put live night crawlers on my Shakespeare excursion rod and reel combo, 20-pound line. I got a #1 eagle claw catfish hook with 2 split shots for castability. And on my Ozark Trail 2000 reel with 20-pound line, on my iron quantum rod combo, I'm using a #4 Team Catfish circle hook with 3. Let me let some of this line out a little bit, guys, so you can see it. I'm using 3 split shots for castability. But I think at first I'm just gonna kind of drop them right here, because the water is like super boiling, and that generally holds some kind of catfish. It's nothing but a little channel cat. I'm using liver today. I'm not using shad. I'm going back old school, and we may do a little bass casting. There's like a little pool right here. It looks like maybe like a little miniature pond, and I may cast off in there and see if I can catch a bass. But let's get these other baits in the water right quick. See if we can come up with. Okay guys, a fish just jumped right there, so we might get us some nice ones today. Okay guys, we're gonna give it a little bit of time, and we're just gonna fish around the area and see what's up. We're gonna get something right there soon. We got plenty of area over here to try it out. Okay guys, I checked the weather. It's supposed to rain again by 11 o'clock. It's like 8:31, so we got plenty of time, I hope, for us to get us something. Got it. Oh, yes, Lord. That's what I'm talking about, a little channel cat. Got a little channel cat, guys. What? That's on the night crawlers. First fish of the day. These channel cats, when they're young, channel cat fish have these white spots on them. Let me hold them. I don't want them to catch me. They have these white spots on them. It's a nice little channel cat. And when they get older, they're gonna turn like a green-brown color. Let's get this little champion teenager back in the water, guys. That's a nice channel. First fish of the day, channel cat. Let's see if we can get another one. Okay guys, I didn't show you the last time, but I do want to show you that my night crawler is wiggling. I always have my night crawlers wiggling. I have them off the hook a little bit. The hook point is always showing on all my baits, so I can get a good hook set. Okay guys, if you want to catch channel cats, smaller catfish, sometimes you get a big one too. I mean, channel cats I know they get 10 pounds. I've caught a 10-pound channel before. If you want to catch channel cats in small rivers like this, get you some liver, get you some night crawlers, get you some shad. They'll hit it. You know, when you fishing with them big old blues and stuff like that, in bigger river systems, you're gonna need shad, or you're gonna need a whole bluegill, or a whole live bluegill, or a cut bluegill, or it's gonna have to be pretty good size too. You're gonna need a goldfish, live goldfish on the hook, you know, something like that. That's what those flatheads and the big blues really like. Out here, you can put a goldfish out here and leave it. It may take a long time because this is not a giant river system. But you can catch some nice flatheads out of these rivers. And I've never caught a flathead out of Bow Creek. Channel cats, yeah. And just for the record, I never fished down here. I've been driving by looking at it, but I've never fished down here. And just like I did a good choice. I mean, with the water being up and with it boiling like that, I knew some catfish were gonna be around somewhere or something. Let's see what else we can get, guys. Got him, a nice channel cat. Yes, Lord, there he is on night crawlers, guys. Got him. I knew it was gonna be something in that boil. Nice empty channel cat. You find those boils, like I said, in river water and creek water, these small creeks and rivers. Catfish be hanging around. Those Eagle catfish hooks work good. Number ones. Look at there. That's a nice channel. Beautiful fella. Look at there. Like that gold and green color. This is an older one. Older than that first one that we caught. Okay, guys. I was just checking my camera. Yes, Lord. Nice channel cat. Let's get this champion back in the water. Man, I love fishing. That's why I love fishing in rivers, guys, and creeks, because you never know what you're gonna get. That's number 2. Guys, I love using night crawlers. I'm staggering, getting hung in weeds, I'm sorry. I love using night crawlers. Take that night crawler, put him on that hook, and leave him wiggling. Enough of him loose where he's wiggling. I don't know which side it's gonna be, the head, unless you lay it down on the ground or something and let it guide itself. But when you take it and leave part of it wiggling, those fish will hit it. Those boils are really good spots. I mean, I don't think they really be schooling out here like in a river, but the holes and logs and things, they be in there. In these small creeks, they be in there. Man, I just love fishing. Man, there's nothing like seeing that pole bend, or if you're bass fishing or whatever, and you feel that strike and you feel them running with it, you set the hook on it. Nothing like it. It's just good, clean fun. Now that I'm doing an actual YouTube fishing show, I'm really enjoying, catching the fish and turning them loose safely. It gives you a good feeling. You're just catching them, throwing them back, man. It goes straight. I keep some of them. I don't keep a lot of the fish I catch. You see me throwing them back, I do. I throw them back. I keep some sometimes. It's whether I want to cook fish or something. But it's not a whole lot. When I was a boy, I used to fish so much. After I had got old enough to go by myself, and just in our area, we actually lived on a farm, and there was a Bow Creek. This actual creek was running behind it on the owner's land, and I was fishing so much that my mom said I was addicted to it. I guess she was right. Like I said, guys, when you come to these small creeks and you see that water boiling, drop your bait in the boiling side, not the part that's going to go up under the log. Drop it in the boiling side, and if you do your little liver thing, hold your pole. Just hold it. It may take 5 or 6 minutes, and it may be right off the bat. But man, those catfish, they're in there. They might not bite right off the bat, like I said. But well, hold your pole, because I mean, there's some nice ones. Those 3 and 4 and 5 pounders, they'll pull that pole off in the water. Don't leave it laying on the edge. Do whatever you want to do, but keep the pole stand like I got. Whatever. But give it a try, guys. Can you guys see how it looks like the water's boiling? I'm just giving you a close-up shot. That's how it looks when the water is coming from up under a log or something like that that's sunk. You may not be able to see it. You may be able to see it laying on the bank. But that draws catfish and other species, and they're on the other side of it, waiting for something to get sucked up under or try to travel under. They knock fire from it. Okay, guys, it looks like the night crawlers are king today. It's getting close to like 10:30, and the rain is supposed to be here around 11. So let's close up shop right here, and I'll meet you back at our next location. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Good morning. Man, it's like 6:30 in the morning, and I'm at a Walmart in Amory, Mississippi, and I'm going to try a new bait today. It is this Yum Crawbug, and it looks like a real crawfish, so I'm going to try it, and when we get out there in that water, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, guys, good morning. Okay, thanks for going fishing with me. Man, down here at Bass City, it is mega flooded. There's not a bank. There's just a couple of little places to stand down there, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to throw my cast net. I'm gonna turn it around where you can see. But what I'm gonna try to do, I want to throw a couple of lures out here in this super mega flooded water. I've never seen it this flooded, and I'm gonna see if I can catch something. The fish they're jumping out there, so I know there's something in there. And then I guess I'm gonna try to throw my cat's net. Well, guys, if you like this video, hit that like button for me, and if you like my channel, subscribe for me, man. Thank y'all, man. Thank y'all for supporting me. Okay, man, let's give this a shot. I'm excited. If it works out good, I've got a new bait I'm gonna try, and I'll show it to you in a second after I throw a couple of spoons. Okay guys, it's mega flooded down there, and I just went to Walmart and I bought this young Crawbug kit. Um, Equipo Crawbug. This kit has got like a gold color, or 2 or 3 different kinds of blue. It's got the heads, 2 or 3 types of green. And I'm gonna throw it out there, and I'm gonna use it like a nedge rig, and I'm gonna see if I can get anything to hit. Now I lost 2 fish. I had 2 fish on that silver spoon, the Ozark Trail silver spoon. I know I didn't really represent it and really didn't show you anything, but I was just testing it out, man. First cast, and I almost got it in, and it was big enough that it was pull and drag, it got off. Okay, well, we're gonna throw this out here, and we're gonna try it out, and I'm gonna use it like a nedge rig, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay guys, I've got my yum bait worked on here. I've got the hook point showing. I've never done this. I haven't even seen a video on this. I ain't seen anybody make them. I know that they're out there somewhere, but this is something I was excited about, and once I saw it this morning, I had to try it. And I did buy a pack at Walmart, and then I bought got the whole kit to go with it. So this one looks sort of like a crawfish's actual color. Around here, except it's kind of, they're gonna be kind of red and stuff. So let's throw this out here in the water, and I'm just gonna nedge rig it a little bit. Hopefully we won't get hung a lot. I tried to make it so the hook wouldn't get hung constantly, and maybe we can catch something. Whatever I catch, guys, I'm gonna bring it up here and show it to you. Okay guys, this is all off camera. My batteries had died, and I thought I had hooked something, and I foul hooked the carp. And this is catfish bait, and now I got bait to go to the lock and dam. But we're gonna throw that Crawbug a couple of more times and throw a couple of more spoons before we go to the lock and dam. So let's see what happens, guys. Got him, guys. Okay guys, I just foul hooked this channel cat. Wow. Let's see how much he weighs. Okay guys, he's 3 pounds and 11 ounces. That's a nice channel. Let's get him back in the water. Got him, guys. Okay guys, no, I'm not doing this purposely. Just don't get me. I just foul hooked a channel cat, another channel cat. Now if I was actually catfish fishing, their skin is so tough. If I was actually catfish fishing, this would probably be a hot bite today. That's a nice little fella. Let's get him back in the water. Wow. This is the first time for me, but this water's never been this high with me down here, so. And guys, I'm sorry I can't put my camera down there, but I don't have a spot to put it, and I don't have a GoPro, so I guess it's about time me to invest in the GoPro, huh? All right, okay guys, that was a cool adventure. I actually caught like 3 fish. I caught that 3-pound channel cat, and it was foul hooked, but honestly I'm pretty sure he hit at it. Then I caught the little bitty channel, and it was foul hooked, but I'm pretty sure he hit at it. And then I caught the sucker, the carp. We call them suckers. If it's a carp, we still call it a sucker. So he got foul hooked, but I'm also pretty sure that he hit at it. But anyway, we got him back in the water safe. I'm keeping the sucker. I'm going to the dam. That's my catfish bait for the day. I got a few shad that are actually foul hooked by accident as well. So let's get over here to the locking dam and see if we can get something big off of that carp. What's going on, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and finish the video here. I actually did catch something at the locking dam. I caught like a 20-pound blue, and I'm gonna show you what happened with that situation. But I wanted to show that the suckers are great catfish bait, and they really are. They're in the ranks of the shad and the skipjack. But skipjack's gonna be top level catfish bait, and then you got shad, so then it'll probably be suckers. Bluegill are pretty good, but bluegill just don't have the attractability. You can catch flatheads and blues and stuff on cut bait bluegill, but it's just not gonna be as good as like a sucker. But anyway, before I say any of that, what I want to show is first things first, this is the pier that I caught that last blue cat on my last episode of my show. Okay guys, I wanted you to see this. There is no pier. That's how much water is out here at the dam today. There is no pier. Okay, let's get off in that water. Alright, the pier, as you see, is completely underwater. So that's telling you how high that water was. The pier is like 20 feet above the water at the locking dam. So that's letting you know what's going on. I mean, that water is like mega high. Alright, so I walked down to the left, downstream, so I would have a bank to stand on where the rocks are, and so I cast it out. Well, I threw out, and I actually hooked a big 20-pound blue. It was 20 pounds. It had to be. I've held up a 10 and a 15 and blah blah blah, and a 20 is a lot heavier than that. So it was like a 20 plus fish. So what I did was I was reeling the fish in. The fish got hung after it got tired. All that current pushed it to the side, to the bank, and I couldn't get it out. Well, instead of me just breaking it off, I wanted to be able to show the fish, of course. So I put a weight on my line and I cast it over 2 trees that were in my way. And when you put weights on your line and cast over stuff, you know, it'll carry that line completely over whatever it is. Well, when I cast it over those 2 trees, the first tree was clear, and I mean trees growing up out of the ground, not trees off in the water. There's normally a bank there where those trees are, and they're tall trees. I mean, we're talking like 40 and 30 foot tall trees here. So anyway, it got hung in the second tree, and I knew I wasn't going to be able to get it out of the tree, but it wasn't hung on the log anymore. So I wrapped the line around my hand, and I pulled the fish up out of the water. I walked back a long way and pulled the fish up out of the water. And once I pulled the fish up out of the water, I wrestled with it, got my camera out, got my cell phone out. I used my cell phone camera to get the shot, just to show you the fish. They'll let you know that the catfish bait works when you use the sucker for catfish bait. Here it is. Guys, there he is. There's got to be a 20-pound fish. I got him hung in a tree. If I catch it, I'll explain how it happened, but I got him. Man, it's heavy. Okay. Okay, here we go. So that's the story how that fish got in that tree and that the bait works. If you're gonna have an epic fail, it's called fishing, not catching. But anyway, I did want to say this. That's my kitty cats running around trying to see what I'm doing. The Yum Crawbug, it does work. It works really good. The fish that I foul hooked, I wasn't reeling fast trying to snag something. I don't ever do that, but I was actually just shaking the crawbug, reeling it a little bit, just a little bit, shaking it, and it will get hit, and then bang, the fish would pull. So I figured that the fish were hitting it, and then maybe they said, well, they didn't really want it. So they tasted it, and so they turned. And catfish and stuff, they turn when they hit bait, they turn. And there's probably so many of them in there. There it was. That's the competition thing. But this bait does work, and I am gonna do another video on it. If you guys want to try it, go to Walmart, man, and try it out. It's like $10, and it works pretty good. But I'm gonna do another video in some lower water. It doesn't have all that pressure in it, so we can see how it really gets down. I have never foul hooked that many fish in my life. I've always, if I foul hook one, man, it's like once or twice a year. So there it is. But anyway, you guys have fun. Keep on going fishing. Peace out. Thanks for watching.